Greetings, this is Robin Walker, the Black History Man. I'm about to lead another workshop on history and heritage aimed at you, the adults. I'm going to be speaking on ancient Egypt and ancient Ethiopian heritage. Why is this history and heritage important? Well, this is new data that will build pride in heritage and it will inspire you. I'm also going to link the history to wealth building principles that we can all use. So what's going to happen? Well, a colleague and I are hosting a workshop where we want to share Black history ideas with the community. Our next session is on Tuesday evening, 25th of February at the Bridge Park Centre in Northwest London. If this interests you, click on the link below to go to Eventbrite for tickets. My lecture is called The Importance of Opportunity and Creativity, Wealth Principles from Imhotep of Egypt and Lalibela of Ethiopia. I'm going to explain who was Imhotep. Why should he be of special importance to people who want to be about wealth creation? Who was Lalibela? Why should he be of special inspiration to people who want to be about wealth creation? What are the principles of opportunity and creativity? What are they in practice? And why are they absolutely essential for all fortune builders? And what exactly do you need to know to be able to distinguish a great opportunity from a business scam? Again, these are the kind of details I want to get into in the presentation. So who would I like to see coming to our workshop? Beginners, interested in learning Black history but do not know where to start. Adults, interested in personal development, money management, business and entrepreneurship. Activists, interested in learning about ancient Egypt and ancient Ethiopia. Community activists, interested in deepening their knowledge of Black history. And finally, anybody who wants to advance wealth building in the community. If this interests you, click on the link below to go to Eventbrite for tickets. Otherwise, see you there Tuesday, the 25th of February.